Hi friends, it's Stephy and welcome to another video on my channel. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Stephy Blue Bear. And also, if you're wondering why my nose is a little bit red right here, I'm sick. So I have to keep on like blowing my nose and stuff. So it's mostly on this side where it's like just being a little bitch. But that's why it looks kind of red. So just ignore it. Just pretend I don't have it. But today I'm going to be doing a review on these Lime Crime mini lip kits. They look like this. And they are on discount at my store, so I had to buy them. And I've never tried these lip products before. So I thought that it would be good to have the minis and try it out. If I like it, I can actually get the full-size ones. So this one, it has the lipstick cake. Is it the lipstick? No. It's the lip liner in the name cake. And then the lipstick is in the name toasted marshmallow. And then this one, the lip liner is in the name Drew, and then the lipstick is in the name Hot Chocolate. So these products are from different lines from Lime Crime. So you have the lipstick, which is from the Plushies collection, and then the lip liner, which is from the Velveteen collection. So I like how they did different products in two. So we are going to be trying both of them, but we're going to try this one first. It's the first one that I grabbed when I bought it. And I just like opening it from the bottom for some reason. So this is how the packaging looks like on the inside. Really cute. I'm not a really big fan of lip liners, and I don't really use lip liners that much, so this will be different. And I just want to say that this is so cute. Look how small it is. It's so cute. I really like having little mini stuff. Because they're really cute, and not only because they're cute, but like having mini stuff like this, it actually makes me use the product more often and faster. So I know that if I do enjoy this and I use it more often, I'm just gonna say this, if I finish this at the end of the year and I put it in my empties video, I'm definitely gonna rebuy the full version. So we're gonna try the lip liner first. Again, I don't really like wear lip liners that much, so this is gonna be different. So this is how the liner looks. This is the packaging. It has a red cap, the color of the lip liner right here, and then the packaging, it's from the Velveteen line. So this is how it looks like. Okay, where is my mirror? So we're gonna start from the bottom. Could you see that? Pretty good so far. This lip liner is really easy to use. I don't know if you can kind of see it. Could you see my lips lined? It's really easy to use. It's nice, soft, and but not too buttery or it'll break on you, but it's like really easy to put on. So I do really like this so far. I just want to try the other one. And now I'm going to be putting on the plushie, which is this cute. I love this color. It looks really nice. So I don't know what will match my eye look, but let's just see. It's so cute. It smells really good too. That's a nice color. Oh, I love this color so much. It matches with my wig. Oh, it's so pretty. So here it is up close. It is really sheer. So you might want to put a second coat on if you would like a second coat. But I really like this color a lot. It does look a little different in the container than it does on my lips. Like, it looks a little darker in the container. So I'm going to put a second coat to see if we could get more of like an opaque color. So I put a second coat on. It's definitely a buildable product. Like, if you want more color, you can definitely build it up and it will like appear more. Oh, I just really like this color. Oh, I love it so much. This color looks really good on me. I'm surprised because usually, like, I mean, I knew this was gonna look good on me, but like light pinks don't really look good on me, but this looks really nice and I love it. And I think this pink is a good pink for like natural looks. Like my look is kind of natural today. It's like gold and brown, so I think that this pinkish color is good for like nude looks. I really like it. So now we're gonna try the other one. Just let me like take this off. It smells really good. You can smell it more when it's in the bottle than it is on your lips. So if you don't like having scented lipsticks on your lips, it's good because it will go away after it dries and stuff. But I like the smell and I don't mind it. So this is how the second one looks like. I really like the packaging. We should have talked about that, but this is how the packaging looks like for the kit. On this side, which is the Velveteen lip liner, it has the classic roses that Lime Crime is basically all represented by, and it has like a hot pink background. And then for this side, which is the little plushy lipstick, it had like a cute pastel pink color with cute little teddy bears on it. I really love the packaging. I love it so much. And then the back, it just has the hot pink color on it, so it doesn't do the half and half thing like it does in the front. And then the bottom is just like half and half, and then the top just says the name. And then this side has obviously the little cute bears, and this side just has the roses. And then the inside's just white, nothing special. And then the packaging on the inside is red, it's all pretty. And this is a nice color too. So we're gonna try the lip liner first. So this is how the color looks on the pencil. It looks like almost a reddish brownish color. We'll see when we put it on my lips. Sorry, my head's like getting cut off. Whew. Kind of messed up a little bit. This is a pretty nice lip liner color. I do like how it glides on. This one's actually a little bit more harder to apply on. But you know, when you have a darker color for either lipsticks or eyeshadow, it's always more harder to apply. So now I'm just gonna apply this cute little plushie in the name Hot Chocolate. So let's see how it looks. Oh crap, hold on, my mirror just wanted to break for some reason. I again forgot to show the packaging for this, but for this little packaging it just says Lime Crime on this side. Well, I guess both. Oh yeah, no, this side has Lime Crime and then this side just says plushies on it. And then the cap had a little bear on it, and it had like the same pastel pink color from the packaging. And then the cap feels different. It feels like, it's not rubbery, but it almost feels like, I can't even explain it. It kind of feels, it just feels both soft and it's not like glass and it's not like plasticky. It feels sort of rubbery, but not that rubbery, excuse me. It's more like just a feel. So let's just, you know, put on the lipstick. Again, it smells real good. I can't really describe the smell. It's like a sweet smell, but I literally never really smelled this before, but it smells really good, so it smells good. Wow, I really like this color. Whew. Again, you might need another coat for it because you could kind of still see my lip color here. But this is a really nice color. This color, like, even though the lip liner and this lipstick, like this lipstick's like a little bit lighter than the lip liner, but like once you put this on top of the lip liner, it blends really well to kind of almost make an ombre effect, if you could kind of see. It almost makes like an ombre effect on the lips. And it looks really nice. I really like this color too. This color kind of looks more of like a rock and roll grungy kind of like look, or lipstick I would use for that kind of look. I mean, it does match this eye look pretty good, but I like the pink one better for this look. But this lipstick, oh, it's so good. I love it. I did put 2 coats and you can still kind of see a little bit of my lip color, but you know what, that's okay. This, I feel like this formula is supposed to kind of make it feel like the color of the lipstick should be more natural on your lips than like regular lipsticks, because you know when you put regular lipsticks on your lips, it's kind of like you can tell that that's not a real color, obviously. But like these, it makes it look like my real lip color looks like this, and I really like that about this. And I just think it's really cute how there's these mini ones. Now, I don't know if they have these kits in the bigger form. I'm not sure, but I do think that getting these mini ones is a good way to try out the product. And then if you like it, you can always get the full size. I know for sure that I'm definitely going to probably be getting these two plushies in the full size once I finish these. Now the lip liners, I do like the lip liners. They work really well. They are probably one of the easiest lip liners to use, because I don't really wear lip liners, but I've tried to use other lip liners before, and they're just too hard, and they just don't really look that good on me, and I don't like the formula for them. So for this lip liner, sorry, I think that this lip liner is like beautiful. I definitely like these two colors. They're really nice. I definitely like this color better because I just do. I definitely will finish these, and maybe I'll get the full size for these. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely gonna get the full size of the plushies. These are so good. I love them so much. So if you're if you like using lip liners a lot, I recommend these. And if you are like trying to like use lip liners for the very first time, I recommend getting these lip liners because they are really easy to use. I love them. And I also recommend the plushies, even though like they're sheer, like I think that's what they're supposed to be. They're really, really good. I want to try the darker colors just to see how they apply, but these colors are really, really good. So again, this pink color is Toasted Marshmallow. This darker brownish, plumish, orangey, not orangey, this like purpley-ish brown color is called Hot Chocolate. And then this light lip liner, crap, what's the color? It's Cake. And then this is called Drew. So if you wanted to get these, I got them at my store. They were like $9, I think, for the kits. So highly recommend these. I love them so much. They're really good. I love them. So I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below, have you tried any of these products before? Let me know. I would really like to know how many of my subscribers, you know, use this product. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Also, I want to say sorry that it looks awkward that I had this little red spot on my skin. Again, I'm sick. I'm sorry. I still think the look looks good, even with my red nostril over here. But please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.